God's word is wisdom. We find in the book of Proverbs that there are some things that we have stumbled over and have not looked upon because they are in the Old Testament. You see, a lot of times people say, well, the Old Testament is just history. But Solomon, the wisest man who ever lived until Jesus, wrote these proverbs: My son, attend to my words. Incline thine ear unto my sayings. Let them not depart from thine eyes. Keep them in the midst of thine heart. For they are life unto those that find them, and health to all their flesh. Keep my Keep thy heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. Proverbs 4:20 to 23. Keep your spirit of your heart with all diligence, for the forces of life come from the heart.